If you want to get seriously flexible shoulders, then this is by far my favorite daily exercise to do. I honestly mean it. In all of the flexibility exercises that I've learned over my years of training and of being a coach, this is my favorite. If I could only do one stretch every day, this would be it. Stick around and let's see what it is.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
The anterior chain stretch on the rings is such an amazing stretch because it doesn't just train the shoulder flexibility through shoulder flexion, but it also creates thoracic flexibility right through the spine. It even creates hip flexibility in the hip flexors. This is an amazing exercise, and it's something that feels really good when you do it too. Truth be told, if you're new to the exercise, it might be a little bit uncomfortable if you're developing flexibility, but if you're even a moderately flexible person, this is like medicine. I love doing it. If I don't have time to train at all, I still always do the anterior chain stretch on the rings every day. It just does so much for me. Now make sure that you stick around to the end so that you learn the 3 coaching cues that are going to ensure that you're nailing the right technique and you develop serious flexibility safely.
Anterior chain stretch. We use this in the UMS as it is an excellent stretch for the shoulders, spine, and anterior chain, which refers to the muscles that are used for knee extension, hip flexion, spine flexion, and shoulder extension. Basically everything that is being stretched out during this movement, right through the arms, down the front of the body, and into the legs. The most important part of this stretch is to relax. If you're particularly stiff, this can feel uncomfortable and a challenge. Over time, it will become relaxing and easy.
Hi, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible, and fit. If you want to know how we do that, grab one of our free downloads. We've got a whole bunch of amazing blueprints that you can get if you click the link in the description. And if you want to get any of our programs for strength, flexibility, injury rehab, or calisthenics skills, you can click the link to see our library. And hey, if you're a driven person and you want to learn how to train in the gym or at home in workouts that take less than an hour that make you strong, flexible, and fit, you want to get access to our full UMS coaching program, there's a link in the description of this video for a 30-day free trial. Hope to see you in there soon.
Make sure the rings are set high enough that when you hang, your knees and hips are off the ground. Let your feet relax into plantar flexion and relax your shoulders. The 3 cues to think of when doing the stretch are: relax and let gravity do the work, hips and knees off the floor, feet plantar flexed.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.